When it comes to burning fat, finding the right exercises can make all the difference in reaching your fitness goals. Incorporating high-intensity workouts into your routine can ignite your metabolism and lead to effective fat loss. One of the most effective fat-burning exercises is interval training, which alternates between short bursts of intense activity and rest or lower-intensity movements. For instance, sprinting for 30 seconds followed by a 1-minute walk, repeated for several rounds, keeps the heart rate up and increases calorie expenditure, both during and post-workout. Another excellent choice is circuit training, which combines resistance exercises with cardiovascular movements for a comprehensive workout. Imagine transitioning from a set of push-ups to jump squats, then to a plank, allowing your body to continually engage different muscle groups while elevating your heart rate. This dynamic style of training not only incinerates calories but also builds strength and endurance. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, running, cycling, or swimming are fantastic fat-burning options. Picture yourself gliding through water, feeling the resistance as you propel each stroke, or envision sprinting down a scenic trail where the fresh air invigorates your energy levels. These activities can be easily adjusted in intensity to suit your fitness level, making them accessible and enjoyable. Don't underestimate the power of strength training, either. Lifting weights is a key component of fat loss, as it helps build muscle mass, which in turn boosts your resting metabolic rate. Think about incorporating compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which engage multiple muscle groups and enhance overall body strength. Incorporating bodyweight exercises like burpees, jump lunges, and mountain climbers into your routine maximizes efficiency. Picture executing a burpee, the explosive movement engaging every muscle while elevating your heart rate to help burn that stubborn fat. These can be tailored to various fitness levels, allowing anyone to participate. Lastly, consider incorporating activities like dancing, kickboxing, or group fitness classes. The exhilarating atmosphere of a group exercise class can motivate and push you to work harder, transforming the experience into a fun, fat-burning session. Imagine the rhythm of the music matching the intensity of your movements, creating an effective blend of enjoyment and workout. Are you looking to shed those extra pounds and improve your overall health? Engaging in fat-burning exercises is a powerful way to achieve your weight loss goals while increasing muscle tone and endurance. Start by warming up your body with some light cardio, such as jogging in place, bouncing on a jump rope, or performing dynamic stretches. This initial phase prepares your muscles for more intense activity and helps to prevent injury. One of the best fat-burning exercises is high-intensity interval training, HIIT. This approach alternates short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest or lower intensity. For instance, sprinting for 30 seconds followed by walking for 1 minute can elevate your heart rate and boost metabolism significantly. Incorporating bodyweight exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers during those intense intervals intensifies calorie burn, making HIIT highly effective for fat loss. Another fantastic exercise is circuit training. This method combines different strength and cardio movements in quick succession with minimal rest between exercises. For instance, perform a set of squats, push-ups, and kettlebell swings back-to-back. The result is a full-body workout that not only builds muscle but also maximizes calorie expenditure. Additionally, because muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, circuit training contributes to long-term fat loss by increasing your resting metabolic rate. Don't overlook the benefits of running. Whether on a track, trail, or treadmill, running is a simple yet highly effective exercise for burning fat. The rhythm of your heartbeat increasing and your legs propelling you forward creates a synergy that burns calories rapidly. Try varying your pace with uplifting sprints and moderate jogs, as this variation keeps your body guessing and prevents plateaus in your fat loss journey. Lastly, functional exercises such as kettlebell swings, rowing, and plyometrics engage multiple muscle groups. These exercises not only help melt away fat, but also enhance your overall functional fitness, making daily activities easier. As you incorporate a variety of these fat-burning exercises into your weekly routine, remember to maintain balanced nutrition and hydration to support your journey effectively. In conclusion, the combination of HIIT, circuit training, running, and functional exercises are all stellar choices for burning fat efficiently. Stay consistent with your workouts, listen to your body, and watch the transformation unfold as you work towards a healthier, fitter you.